everybody, and welcome back to Color is My Weapon. It's been a hot minute. I've missed you all so much, but here I am, and I finally got around to do the most requested tutorial that my channel has ever had. Even when I started way back when, 8-9 years ago, people always wanted to know my updated eyebrow routine. So today I'm giving you the eyebrow routine that I have currently. It does change, but some of the fundamental steps are still there. Some that you have, steps that you have seen even way back 8 years ago. But before anything else, don't forget to hit the bell button if you are a returning subscriber. If you are an OG subscriber who has been here throughout the career of Color is My Weapon, please don't forget to hit that bell because you will be notified the moment I have new videos for you. So you better do that. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. So we're gonna pull out all the tools that we need. So far I have my angle brush and a couple of concealer brushes and my spoolie. So that's about it. And we also need concealer. We also need, of course, our dip brow pomade, and I'll be dipping into Espresso Eyeshadow from MAC as well. I like the combination of these two. And this is really just preference. You can also use, if I can find it, a brow set. Now you need to make sure that you have clean brows. That's going to help you a lot. Second, you have to determine which eyebrow has a little bit more arch. For me, it's this one. So we want to make sure we match this over here. So we raise this part over here, and this first step will definitely help us with that. Now we will be taking a concealer. I usually put it on the back of my hand just like so, and then I take this brush right here. It's conveniently shaped the way I want my arch to be shaped, so I'm going to use that. And then taking a little bit of the concealer that we put at the back of our hand, I'm going to look straight and map out my brows. And this is going to look crazy, okay? So don't worry. I'm starting over here because I'm using this brow as my guide. So I'm just going to draw a line over here, all the way over there. Follow that trail. Now, even though there's no hair over there, but it is where the line is going, just follow the line. Don't worry. So I follow the line, and then I do it simultaneously as well because we want to make sure they look like sisters. Now for the upper part, I'm also going to do the same thing. So that's me just mapping out the general shape. Yeah, that's fine. Now, here's the secret. You need to work with a damp brush. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the Fix Plus. If I can open it. Homegirl is tired. She just, she's traveled. And I'm taking the the Espresso Eyeshadow from MAC. Just like so. Dab, dab, dab. Pick up product there. This cake technique, you've seen me do this a million times in my channel. Nothing new. Okay, so let's calm down. Let's breathe. We can do this, okay? So grab your mirror, look semi down, and then follow the guide. We want to start sort of midway, right over there, and slowly follow, by following just the line, slowly going out, like that. And do the same on the other eye, following the line. You are just drawing this next to the line you just made with your concealer and drag it out also there. Now let's move on to the upper part. Now this one I use a little bit of this technique. I'm sure you have seen this. It is not rocket science, and it's also not something new. It is something being used a lot by brow experts. So I'm just mapping where my tail would start and where my arch would be. So I made dots over there. Gonna grab a little bit more product just so I can put it on the tail end so that we have more structure and more guide. Moving on to the other side as well. And then following that curve right there, because our arch is supposed to be that way, we slowly, very slowly pull color in. And you can blend the lower part as well. And then slowly but surely following the line. There you go. Okay, now the general shape of my brows is what I want it to be. Again, sisters, not twins. We take our spoolie and very gently from the middle to the front, brush, 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 get any excess. And I also like to drag it over here just to remove any more excess powder. And we do the same over here too. Another option for you is to get the ABH pomade. Because I don't have hair here, don't know if you can see, I just want to fill that with a darker shade to give the illusion that it's gradient. And then finally, we set it all with a brow gel. This is from MAC. I love using it, but make sure to get out excess product. And how I apply it is very simple. You go against the grain, coating all the hairs that you want to be coated. And then I take my spoolie and then brush up all the hairs in front and then keep them all the way back here, just so I look like I have fuller brows. So just like that, and we do the same thing over here on the other side. And spoolie time. Just like that. Now, what you can do is do your face, your makeup, and then you'll be done. I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back. And that's how I do my brows right now. I'd like to know what you guys want to see next on my channel, so please comment below so that I have a series of videos that I need to film for you guys and that you would really want to watch. So I appreciate that, and go on commenting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our vlogging channel. It's a new channel, it's still growing, so if you guys can also hop on there and subscribe so that you can see our daily life as a family here in Fort Worth, Texas. That would be so great. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay happy and healthy. May God bless you abundantly, and may you have a fabulous day ahead. Bye.